Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Fordee from Fordee TV. It's been a bit, but let's make some videos, yo. I told you I'm gonna start making some spearfishing videos because I am severely addicted. And I've read some books, I've watched some videos, and information is very sporadic and not always well put together. I'll probably make some videos that maybe already exist, but I thought I'd be a great resource for beginners, especially because I'm not an expert. I taught myself from scratch and yeah, and I'm learning as I go. So today's video is going to be pretty simple: how to sharpen your spear, right? Because if you spearfish near rocks or coral, etc., and you shoot and you miss, then you blunt your spear over time. Here is my spearfishing rubber gun. This is a 90, right? 90 centimeter. And if you look at the tip here, the tip is a little blunt, right? Because if you hit a rock or whatever, it becomes blunt. And so in order to fix this, what we can do is use a grinder of some sort. I have a Dremel here, right? This is a Dremel 200. It's one of the cheaper ones. And I have a grinding stone bit. I'll put links on this stuff to Amazon in the description, so if you're looking to purchase this stuff, you can do it yourself. I have a trash can right here to catch the grinded bits from the spear, and let's just do this. It's pretty easy, right? All you do is turn this puppy on full blast and then angle it right here at the tip, right? And what we want to do is make a sharp point. So let's go ahead and do that. I have it over the trash can right now. I should be, a note, I should be wearing glasses, and so should you if you're doing this, but yeah. So, I'm sure I'll end up speeding that up in post, but just to show you, this tip, let's see, I'm looking on the monitor, is now quite sharp. It's no longer dull. It should pierce the fish easily. This is the piece after it goes through the fish. Then when it pulls back, this will stop the spear from coming out of the fish. Doesn't always happen, right? Sometimes they get free anyway. Anyways, just a real quick video on showing you how to sharpen the spear. I'm going to make another video because if you could see here, my shooting line right here is frayed. So I will make a video on how to replace that next. Alright guys, I hope you like this video, and if you take up spearfishing, please be careful. If you sharpen your spear using a grinder, use safety goggles, yo. I'm not responsible for you hurting yourself, but yeah, and also be careful out there in the water, especially if you have metal wishbones on your rubbers. Anyways guys, until next time, I'm out.